Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best bar gifts is probably one of the most thoughtful and appreciated presents you can give to any home entertainer, cocktail enthusiast, or aspiring mixologist in your life, offering a delightful blend of practicality and flair that can elevate their home bar experience from ordinary to extraordinary, ensuring every gathering becomes a memorable occasion filled with expertly crafted drinks and sophisticated ambience. Number 5. Modern Mixology 8-Piece Cocktail Shaker Set. Elevate your home entertaining with this comprehensive cocktail shaker set. It includes everything you need to craft delicious, bar-quality drinks right in your own kitchen. This all-in-one kit features an 18-ounce shaker, jigger, strainer, bottle opener, mixing spoon, and ice tongs. It's perfect for beginners and seasoned home bartenders alike. Keep your bar tools organized and accessible with the included stylish wooden stand. It not only adds sophistication to your space but also showcases your tools beautifully. Looking for a unique gift? This elegant mixology set is ideal for any occasion, from holidays to birthdays. It's a thoughtful present for anyone who loves crafting cocktails. Made from durable, rust-resistant stainless steel, this set is built to last. Plus, each tool is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze so you can enjoy more mixing. With curated recipes included, you'll be mixing like a seasoned bartender in no time. Get ready to impress your friends with your signature drinks. What we like. This cocktail shaker set comes with everything you need to get started, including a stylish wooden stand to keep your tools organized. If you're looking for a complete and elegant solution for your home bar, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for beginners and seasoned mixologists alike who appreciate both functionality and aesthetics. What people say. The set includes a variety of essential bar tools, such as a cocktail shaker, jigger, strainer, and bar spoon, making it a comprehensive gift for any aspiring mixologist. The cocktail shaker is made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and preventing rust or corrosion, which is great for frequent use. The included recipe booklet provides clear instructions for popular cocktails, helping beginners get started with their home bar creations. Number 4. True Bonny Boy Liquor Dispenser. Introducing a unique liquor dispenser, inspired by a classic fountain. It brings charm and humor to your bar, making pours easy for all your favorite spirits. Using it is simple with just a single button. Fill it with your preferred spirits and let it liven up any gathering, from BBQs to relaxed weekends. This amusing dispenser guarantees smiles and conversation at any event. It's a quirky centerpiece that adds fun to your bar's setup. This compact yet bold piece fits perfectly with your home bar decor. It keeps your setup organized and entertaining, whether on a bar cart or a shelf. Looking for an unforgettable gift? This humorous dispenser is perfect for groomsmen, dads, weddings, or housewarmings. It's sure to bring laughter and spirit to any occasion. What we like. Add a touch of quirky fun to your bar with this unique liquor dispenser. Its playful design is sure to bring laughs and be a talking point at any gathering. If you're looking to inject some personality and humor into your home bar or man cave, this dispenser is a must-have. What people say. Don't expect to clean your living room carpet with this, but for desk crumbs or keyboard dust, it actually works. It has a tiny internal filter that you can pop out and tap clean. Such a fun and unique liquor dispenser. The true Bonny Boy always gets laughs at parties. It's a total conversation starter. Works perfectly and dispenses drinks smoothly with just the push of a button. My brother loves this. He giggles every time he uses it. The stream is surprisingly powerful. It's great quality. Number 3. KINGROW 23-Piece Stainless Steel Cocktail Shaker Set. Introducing the KINGROW 23-Piece Cocktail Shaker Set, your all-in-one solution for crafting delicious drinks. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to become a home bartending pro. Crafted from high-quality 304 stainless steel, this set is built to last. It's durable, rust-proof, and incredibly easy to clean, ensuring it always looks stunning on your bar. Keep your bar essentials tidy and within reach with the included acrylic stand. No more searching through drawers, everything is neatly organized and ready for your next creation. Elevate your home gatherings and parties with professional quality cocktails. This set makes it easy to entertain your guests and impress them with your mixing skills. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This elegant bar tool set is perfect for any cocktail lover, whether they're a beginner or a seasoned mixologist. Included recipe cards guide you through creating a variety of cocktails. You'll be mixing like a pro in no time, even if you're new to the art of cocktail making. What we like. This comprehensive bartender kit offers an impressive 23 pieces, ensuring you have every tool imaginable for crafting cocktails. It even includes whiskey stones for perfectly chilled drinks. If you desire a professional-grade, all-inclusive set that keeps everything neatly displayed and accessible, this is the ultimate option for aspiring home bartenders. What people say. The quality of the materials is excellent, and every piece feels sturdy and well-made. The tools are easy to use, and the set includes everything you need to make professional-looking drinks right at home. It looks elegant, works perfectly, and adds a classy touch to any bar setup. Number 2. Home Hero Bartender Kit, 22-piece cocktail set. Elevate your gatherings with this elegant bartender kit. It includes all the accessories you need to craft delightful cocktails, making it a perfect gift for any occasion. This beautifully crafted wooden stand not only organizes your bar tools but also enhances your home bar decor. Its sleek design complements any bar cart accessories. Combining sleek black and silver, this cocktail kit makes a stylish statement. Crafted with premium stainless steel, it ensures long-lasting use for all your mixing needs. Mix classic and modern drinks with ease using the helpful recipe book. It features 10 delicious cocktail recipes to enhance your drink-making skills. Packaged in a gift-ready box, this bartender kit is an ideal present for cocktail lovers. Celebrate any festive occasion with this personalized shaker set. What we like. This bartender kit provides a complete bar experience with a focus on elegant design and essential tools. The included recipe book is a great asset for exploring new drinks. If you're searching for a stylish and practical gift that elevates any home bar and aids in drink creation, this set is an excellent choice for housewarmings or holidays. What people say. The product is a great addition to any home bar, featuring a sleek design and durable construction. This bar tool set includes all the essentials for crafting cocktails, with each piece being ergonomically designed for comfortable use. The cocktail shaker is perfectly weighted, making it easy to mix drinks smoothly and efficiently. Number 1. Etched World Decanter Whiskey Globe by the Wine Savant. Embrace your love for adventure and fine whiskey with this exquisite globe decanter. Its unique design, featuring an antique airplane and a warm wood base, makes it a stunning centerpiece for any home bar. The antique plane rests majestically inside, adding a touch of vintage charm. Crafted from lead-free, hand-blown glass, it offers exceptional clarity and brilliance for your favorite spirits. Perfect for whiskey, vodka, liquor, and more, this set is designed to impress. Serve your premium alcohol in style with this beautifully etched globe decanter, complete with an internal glass airplane. Looking for a memorable gift? This decanter is ideal for housewarmings or any occasion. It includes a glass stopper and wooden display, and it aerates your spirits beautifully. A must-have for any bourbon, scotch, or wine lover. Our glassware is made from hypoallergenic, lead-free borosilicate glass, ensuring purity and safety. We are confident you'll love it, and your satisfaction is guaranteed. What we like. Impress your guests with this luxurious globe decanter, featuring an antique airplane and world map glasses. It's a stunning piece that celebrates a love for travel and fine spirits. If you're looking for a sophisticated and unique gift for a whiskey connoisseur or someone who appreciates fine bar decor, this decanter set is an exceptional pick. What people say. Very stylish and elegant decanter, it makes a handsome addition to your bar or tabletop. The etched world map on decanter and matching glasses is pretty accurate, and so is the airplane inside. Beautifully crafted. I got this as a gift for a pilot who loves whiskey, and it's a nice talking point whenever we have guests over. This was a gift for my partner who loves planes, he keeps it on display at his home. Very sharp looking and a great conversation piece. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.